UKVI visa. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to check UKVI visa status. So let's get started. You have three methods. The number one is using VFS Global. For this, go to the VFS Global website and select the country where you applied. Then click on track your application, enter your GWF reference number and last name or your email address depending on your application date. The system will display your application status. And you are all done. Now let's move to method number 2. You can try it by using your UKVI account. Just go to the gov.uk website and sign into your UKVI account there. You may need to re-enter your details like the identity document used for your account, your date of birth, and email or mobile number. Then the online servers will show you your eVisa status and option to reshare it. Let's move to method number 3. You can do it through email or SMS. You should receive an email or text message with updates on your application status. Check your spam or junk folders for emails. You can sometimes get SMS updates if you provided a mobile number and the service is available for your application. So that's all about how can you check UKVI visa status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.